to answer a question that was asked today. I had to do a little bit of research, but I did find it. If you want to reuse an assignment or reuse a post, you would go to classwork in your Google Classroom, and then you would click on where it says create, but instead of just picking an assignment like we normally do, you can click where it says reuse post, and it will open up all of your classes. So I would go back to the class that I want to get that post from, and I can reuse a post from a different class into any class I choose to. So if, for instance, I have an assignment in here that I want to use again, like maybe this is something I'm going to use each day, I'm going to click on the class, and then I'm going to click on the post that I want to use again, and it's going to come back up. It's going to make a copy of that post. So it is working. And it pulls up the attachments and everything just the way the original post was to begin with. I can make changes in this assignment if I want to. I can change the due date. Maybe it's going to be due at the end of the month. I can pick as many classes as I want. I could click on put check marks in front of the other classes that I want it to appear to. I could choose the students, set the points, add a rubric, just like normal, except that I'm reusing an activity or an assignment that I had already created. And then I would hit assign, and that assignment would come back up in the class that I selected with the new information entered. And that would be how you reuse a post. I'm not sure where it went. I didn't pay attention to what category I picked. I think it's that one. There it is. So there's the one I just created. Students are creating a writing portfolio using a template where I've attached Google Slides for them to get a copy of each student. So if they click on it, that activity would open and they would be able to start to work in their copy of the slideshow. Hopefully that's helpful.